It's just not the CSK I would want to banter with.
Like as a Punjab fan, I've felt that for a while. Now you guys are feeling it. Now you guys like, oh, this hurts. Of course it hurts.
RCB fan base talks like they won one, but जीते attitude उतना है कि as if they won five.
I agree.
That
Sorry.
that actually
I agree with the fact that I loved it, bro.
He's got a point. वो लोग जोक नहीं, वो लोग अटैक करते हैं. और दिल्ली ने जो फटाक वाला रिप्लाई दिया है with KL Rahul.
Exactly.
That was banter.
I'll put my foot on the trophy like this now. At the end of the day, CSK feel like a person with no friends. Everybody went out to play. They didn't call CSK, right? CSK is just like, oh, nobody's calling me, so I'm gonna attack. It's that uncle. It's becoming that Khadu's uncle. So on brand for CSK.
Is it Robin Uthappa?
No, he said Robin Uthappa.
Sorry.
What is wrong with you?
For me, it feels more like CSK is trying to expedite Sanju Samson's arc. So they're like, okay, Rutu, we have one more season with you. हाँ, captain कर ले.
नहीं सीजन नहीं है उसका.
Hello and welcome to episode 3 season 2 of Overthrow brought to you by Cover Drive. मैं हूँ आपका host, दोस्त with the most Chinmay Sharma aka Scubachino. We're coming back to you after a week. बहुत सारी चीजें हुई हैं. We have a 6-time IPL winning player known for his Oscar antics very recently. We have 5-time winning champions. Just उनका शुरू होने से पहले ही खत्म हो गया सीजन लगता है. We've had a player who's hit the 200 wicket mark. We've had an Australian player who has chosen the PSL over the IPL. Lots to talk about, so we'll get into it. But before that, our USP of the show is our amazing live audience. So give it up for our live audience. What's up, guys? Now we come to our esteemed panelists. एक तो अपना recurring champion हो गया Shantanu. Welcome back to the show, brother.
Good to see you, man.
Today you're only supporting Drip.
Yeah.
You do not support Punjab Kings.
Exactly, yes.
And buddy, we've got a couple of stand-up comedians in the house now, so give it up for Nitin. What's up, brother?
Thank you so much for having me.
And last but not the least, we've got Harman in the
Hello,
house.
sir.
What's up, brother? Good
Thank
to
you.
see you, buddy.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely our pleasure, guys. Look, यार बहुत चीजें हुई है. Anything off the bat that has caught your eye this week? Because at the end of this episode, by the way, I'm just giving you know this, that there is a quiz, right? Where you three as a team take on these little raging animals who are ready.
Guys.
They by the way, they won last
Guys.
time.
Oh, okay, sorry. I don't know.
Good. It's cute enough. We'll take that. But इस हफ्ते बहुत सारी चीजें हुई हैं. You know, owners yelling at players as usual. Players
Owner.
fighting back. Owner. Batsman boundary के बाहर से
Same
ball
team.
मार रहे हैं. Same team.
What do you expect from UP? Let's be very honest. What do you expect from UP? I mean, they run that team like धंधा, right? मालिक गल्ले पे बैठे हैं. आज तुमने धंधा नहीं किया, तूने बात क्यों किया? इधर आ, तेरे से बात करूं.
So what's next? पिचकारी मारेंगे क्या पिच पे?
Maybe.
What has been Shantanu? What has been your moment here इस हफ्ते का? What has been your favorite? For me, it was Rohit Sharma's acting.
Oh, that review वाला? यार.
उसको पता है कुलदीप करता ही है ये मस्ती हमेशा.
Yeah, for sure.
What was your moment of the week?
My moment of the week was कि मैंने इस वीक में मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि कैसी एक ओनर्स टीम को फक कर सकते हैं. Okay, and sorry, I'm not talking about LSG. I'm talking about CSK. Okay, because इस पूरे वीक के 2 मैचेस में समझ आया कि प्लेयर्स की गलती नहीं है, फैंस की गलती नहीं है. ओनर्स ने ऑक्शन टेबल पे जो खिचड़ी की है उसके वजह से सभी सफर कर रहे हैं. Because you cannot go with 28 crores for just 2 people. जब भी 14 crores में यार 20 crores में RCB के कितने प्लेयर्स हैं? Salt, Krunal Pandya, Bethel,
TDP
and David.
Yeah.
So
That's half a squad, half your team.
exactly. So that is a huge fumble क्योंकि CSK के ओनर्स को लगा ब्रेविस हर मैच खेलेगा, एलिस हर मैच खेलेगा, ओवरटन टाइम पास लेता है, ओवरटन ही परफॉर्म कर रहा है. So yeah, I think
Nitin, is now since we started with this topic, I think it's a fantastic start to the. Because I know Rudra will have something to say, but not yet. You zip your mouth, boy. Not yet, buddy. You get ready.
Keep the whistles ready.
You'll get to know the power of the Rudra very soon.
Oh my God, Rudavtar.
But yaar, I am with Shantanu on this. Generally, we don't agree too much, but I think when you spend 28.4 odd crores on Prashant Veer and Karthik Sharma,
Right.
Is it for you a feasible option looking into the future?
It's just not the CSK I would want to banter with. That is not the CSK team.
Yeah.
That is not a CSK team I am either intimidated by or I'm looking forward to the scorecard or the highlights in the morning. For me, again, Dhoni, Jadeja last season were intimidating, of course, but it's also because, like, you know, they can flip the game anytime.
I don't think intimidating is a word used for both of them for a while.
Okay.
Like, let's be very honest. Intimidating is not a word that I associate
वो
with.
डर का माहौल ही चला गया bro.
Exactly.
चेपक सिंह easy
No,
point.
not even Chepak. I'm just talking about the team in general. There was this fear of they will make anybody a hero, right? कोई भी, like, we discovered so many players from Chennai that ended up being who they are right now. But now, like, sure, you're trying to build a team, but the transition is more than half a decade. That's too bad. Like,
it's all standwise at this point. It's all
Yeah.
standwise. They've just put reserved spots for all these players. Like one
tell me
day,
this, Ati,
one
also.
day we'll get a player and that guy will replace him. For me, Noor Ahmad is the only solid guy I can see for the next 3
but
years.
he's also getting pasted, bro.
But he also exactly.
तो ये टीम है ना अभी जो ऑक्शन के बाद बनाई वो ऋतु का विजन है कि यंगस्टर्स, और जो पहले था वो धोनी का विजन था कि मेरे को एक्सपीरियंस प्लेयर चाहिए, वो कर लेंगे, वो अपने दिनों पे मैच इजीली एक एक प्लेयर भी जिता देता था, जैसे शेन वॉटसन ने अपने दम पे पूरा फाइनल जिता दिया था। ये ऋतु का विजन है कि मेरे को यंग टीम चाहिए, तो उसने ये यंग टीम ली। उसके बाद उसको बैकफायर कहाँ पे हुआ कि मैट हेनरी उसके लिए बैकअप नहीं लिया। अब उसके लिए बैकअप लेना चाहिए था। अब नेथन एलिस अकेला था डेथ बॉलर, उसका एक बैकअप लेके रख देते। अभी जेसन होल्डर था, वो सीएसके के लिए परफेक्ट था। अगर धोनी का विजन होता तो जेसन होल्डर सीएसके में होता, क्योंकि चेन्नई ऑलराउंडर के साथ खेलती थी पहले। एलबी मॉर्कल, डीजे ब्रावो, जडेजा, ये धोनी को पसंद है कि ऑलराउंडर आके खेलेंगे, पर अभी होल्डर नहीं लिया क्योंकि धोनी का विजन नहीं है, ये ऋतु का विजन है कि मेरे को एक्सप्लोसिव स्टार्ट
Bro, do
चाहिए।
you think Rutu has that big of a say that his vision?
एग्जैक्टली तुम बहुत सही बोले, लेकिन विजन ऋतु नहीं, वो जो मैनेजमेंट और फ्लेमिंग का क्या सीन है भाई?
I've never seen
कितने
that.
सालों से
He's stuck in the dugout. IPL after IPL, he's stuck at the dugout position. It's the same angle. He looks like the Karate Kid villains. The guy.
Yeah.
He looks like that guy. Is just their angry face. I'm just like, what is happening? Andy Flowers there, DK is there, Mohamed is there.
bhai.
Everybody's talking. Nehra is in the captain's year after year. For me, it feels more like CSK is trying to expedite Sanju Samson's arc. So they're like, okay, Rutu, we have one more season with you. हाँ, captain कर ले. Do it
नहीं,
off, do it
सीजन
off.
नहीं है उसका। आधे सीजन। रुद्रा भाई, तेरे को लगता है ऋतु शुड बी द कैप्टन?
ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग ही हैज टोटली पुट ऋतु अंडर द बस। उसने जिस तरह से बोला ऋतु का विजन है, ऋतु ये कर सकता था, वो कर सकता था, उसमें उसका कुछ सही ही नहीं है। ही हिमसेल्फ हैज कंप्लेन्ड अबाउट व्हाट वेंट रॉन्ग इन द ऑक्शन एंड क्या टीम बनाई। सो पुटिंग अ कैप्टन अंडर द बस फॉर द डिसीजंस दैट ही डिड नॉट टुक, प्लस द मेन बैटर ब्रिविस, द मेन बॉलर एलिस गेटिंग आउट 2 days बिफोर द टूर्नामेंट, ही इज एब्सोल्युटली सैक्रिफाइसिंग द कैप्टन ओवर देयर।
भाई,
तो उसमें ऋतु का तो कुछ सीन
जिस
है ही
टीम का
नहीं।
मेन बॉलर नेथन एलिस है, वो टीम नहीं है भाई। लेट्स बी वेरी,
Current-
वो फ्रंटलाइन
the
बॉलर है ही
bowler-
नहीं।
बट द बॉलर्स दैट आर प्रेजेंट, अभी जो है उससे काम तो चलाना पड़ेगा।
नहीं,
For
बट
sure.
40 crores में कैसे बोल सकते हो कि जो है उससे, ये मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
वो
40
तो-
crores में भाई
वो तो worst
retained
था।
players के साथ नहीं कर सकते टीम यार।
And this is not a team like LSG which doesn't know what the team is or what the composition is. This is CSK which has had templates. CSK used to play with like match winners and match winners. Like you would see like the super team originated in CSK for that matter.
Yeah.
Right?
100%.
So for CSK to be as clueless as a new team is shocking, but at the same time, like for a fan, it's like for me as an RCB fan, I am like, are you guys as clueless as I am about your own team? That's
No,
the
but
one
it's
question I
nice.
want to ask.
I'm happy. I'm like, it's nice to see CSK at the bottom.
Just fire is good. Bro.
Yeah, it's-
somewhere,
yeah.
अगर अपने घर में नहीं चल रहा है तो चलने दे यार, मजा आ रहा है. But
Like as a Punjab fan, I've felt that for a while. Now you guys are feeling it. Now you guys like, oh, this hurts. Of course it hurts. Like, what the?
but look, we very recently had Bhuvneshwar Kumar first.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Quickie getting 200 wickets. Yeah, I find him highly underrated. Yeah, is he the most underrated bowler in the history of the IPL because he's been consistently doing it?
For me, problem is if
Like if
somebody
he-
is coming from some
If he
place.
bowled and then he had laser eyes.
Yeah, like if he would just like give that glance and stuff. That was the only. उसके डेब्यू में उसने दिखाया कि उसको बात करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Ball
The
does
ball
all
is
the
also
talking.
Best
But-
ever first delivery.
My God.
But if he had that anger, that in terms of just antiques as a performer, right? Like your Hardik has no look wicket वगैरह जो भी कर रहे हैं. Yeah.
No look driving
Yeah,
sometimes.
exactly.
Topless, no look driving.
Yeah.
But for
that plays a major role because media does a little bit of for a player कि उसका आर्क बनाने का, उसको larger than life दिखाने का. बुमराह, I mean भुवनेश्वर के लिए कोई था ही
Guys, I
नहीं.
want to pick your brains. We got this quote that Adam Zampa put out recently, right? And it's blasted my mind. I somehow agree with it.
I know the quote.
Well aware. Okay,
Yeah.
so let me just read out to all of y'all. Adam Zampa said, "I pulled out of the IPL this year. To be brutally honest, for someone with my skill set, I just don't get the money that there is for other skill sets in the IPL." And for the amount of time that it takes for the IPL to conclude, it just didn't seem like a reasonable choice for me, and I kept playing at it. It was going to have a break. I was going to have a break, but the PSL was on the radar about a month ago. It all happened pretty quickly, but I'm enjoying it. So what Adam Zampa, which obviously you're going to watch the show, is saying that for his skill set, he wasn't getting enough money in the IPL, but the PSL has suddenly paid him what? An iPhone that they generally give for the Man of the Match awards? Jesus
Oh,
Christ,
it's a trimmer now because Zampa is a huge fan of hairdos.
Oh,
So
it's a trimmer.
it's the trimmer that
No,
took
give
it
me two
away.
takes on this, man. Harman,
I mean, bro, just because you don't fall under Ponting's radar, that doesn't mean you are.
What teams did Zampa play last? He was in RCB and then SRH.
SRH. Bro, Zampa, like, Yuzi is a way better bowler. I'm not going to even compare. You don't fall under the whole radar for leg
And
spin.
Zampa doesn't do TikTok dances.
Yeah. Like, Zampa for me. Zampa for me is not even a one-day bowler anymore.
True.
Like I don't see him fit there. So ho gaya. Like for me, I would still, if you really ask me as a cricket fan, I would still buy Nathan Lyon. कि आजा तू चेन्नई में डाल ले. To where
not anymore, not anymore. Not anymore in Chennai.
Yeah.
If Zampa did come back and Zampa is like, hey guys, I'm available, please pick me, which team would pick him?
Right now, KKR, bro, they've lost all their spinners also.
By
Sunil
that's the real mystery.
That's the real mystery.
Real mystery. What's happening there? But I genuinely feel a class of IPL spinners era is genuinely over. Your Rashid Khan's washed out. Your Naren's no longer a mystery spinner. Your Noor Ahmad's getting pasted. Your Suyash Sharma, the one season KKR wonder that he was that RCB picked up, is just a regular 4.
Only UZ is still relevant.
UZ is relevant.
Only UZ
Bro,
is relevant.
UZ का stat देखा है तू? UZ bowls 92% of leg spin and only 8% googly. 8% compared to other
a massive
other
2 in 4 overs. 2 balls in 4 overs.
2 balls in 4
And
overs.
still these guys left him.
Hey man. Hey.
Bro, come
Hey.
on.
अरे मत जाना उधर. मैं
Hey,
खुश हूँ. मैं खुश हूँ.
Hey.
अरे हाँ.
मैं खुश
See,
हूँ.
we were in a checkmate,
किसी का
bro.
तू, किसी का
We
तू.
were in a checkmate. We were in a stalemate. I'm sorry. We had to like.
Hey, my
Currency
problem,
नहीं था call
and
करने.
other leg spinners bowl close to about 32 to 36% of googlies in their 4 over spell. So which means traditionally leg spin, of course you cannot keep playing across the line. तो तुम top out होके जाओगे और फिर तुम्हारा शशांक सिंह catch drop करेगा. But that's there. But that fucking control and that just like art of just flighting it ball after ball, not worried about कि मार खाऊंगा या नहीं खाऊंगा. That's some heart. And that I think has come from Chinnaswamy only. After you get belted so much at
Yeah.
Chinnaswamy,
Yeah,
you're
it's
like,
like-
man, like no ground is small or big for me.
Final balls देख लिया हमने.
Yeah.
अभी क्या ही
Hostel
है?
life, dude. Hostel life teaches
Yeah.
you life, dude.
नहीं but I want to talk about Rohit Sharma's acting skills यार. Let's just मजा आ गया देख के because उसको पता है कि कुलदीप यादव हर चीज के लिए अपील करते थे. Video surfacing of him
Yeah.
2 years back saying
चुप
मुझे
रहना.
पता है, चुप करके bowling कर and he didn't capitalize on that.
So that was very unfortunate. Let's be honest, क्योंकि ऐसा लग रहा था कि रोहित ने टाइम लिया है और रोहित कभी ना एनिमेटेड रिएक्शंस नहीं देता आउट होके. बट दैट टाइम वाज लाइक पेन स्टोक्स यार मेरा आउट नहीं होना था. बट द थिंग इज अबाउट दैट एक्शन रिप्ले एंड ऑल, KL Rahul is a really good keeper about these calls.
Yeah.
He is very underrated. सब लोग बोलते हैं he is not a full time keeper, लेकिन ऐसे calls we saw in the
In
2023 World Cup as well. So
With
KL
the
Rahul
smug
ने
reaction.
confidently अपील नहीं की थी क्योंकि he knew कि बैट निक नहीं है. लेकिन कुलदीप being कुलदीप, पता है हमने ODI सीरीज में देखा कि हर इस पे ले लो अरे टप्पा खाया फिर भी ले लो. So that's why रोहित ने वो एक्ट किया.
और बापू पे चढ़ गया वो bro कि भाई लो.
So that's Kuldeep being Kuldeep.
ले 2 है.
Yeah. So that was the only thing जिसके वजह से रोहित को कितना 17 मिनट्स के लिए ऑरेंज कैप मिली if I'm not wrong.
Yeah,
17. हाँ मैंने बोला था फर्स्ट एपिसोड में रोहित को ऑरेंज कैप मिलेगी. So I was right. Okay. So 17 minutes.
You also said कि Dhruv Joel is out of contention of and he's been killing it.
Killing it, man.
180.
Proper number 3. I'm sorry, RR fans. That was my bad.
आई गेस MI को उस दिन मतलब एक जैसे कि हमने देखा है 2015 से 2010 के बीच में मिचेल जॉनसन, मिचेल मैक्लेनेगन जैसे ब्रेक थ्रू बॉलर्स थे कि मतलब अगर पिट भी रहे ना तो उनके पास एक विकेट लेने का जरिया था कि भाई चलो पार्टनरशिप ब्रेक कर देते हैं. और उस दिन कैसा हुआ ना कि निशंका और अपना रिजवी के बीच में जो पार्टनरशिप हुआ तो उसके बारे में मतलब हम लोग को मतलब तभी पता चल गया था कि भाई मैच हाथ से निकल चुका है.
Let's move on and let's go to arguably the best owner of any franchise of any time ever. We're going to LSG. यार क्या चल रहा है उधर guys? Who wants to talk about what? एक बैट्समैन बॉलर बैटर बाहर से बॉल को मार रहा है, इधर गोइंका is going crazy at ऋषभ पंत.
So this is what happens when you win once in a while.
Yeah.
You don't know how to deal with it.
वो ट्रॉफी जीत गए ना, फाइनल था ना वो,
हाँ, हो गया उनका.
फाइनल था ना SRH और LSG.
Why LSG behaving like they won finals?
अरे he cried and all, he hugged Rishabh and all.
No, that was the second take. पहले take.
वो एक start है. It's like every time तुम इतना तरस जाते हो. It's like you meet your girlfriend after 3 weeks.
You have to tell her that I missed you. I very genuinely missed.
ऋषभ तूने एक भी सिक्स नहीं मारा, गिर के फोर्स मारे. Well played.
Do you think the toxicity is purely coming from ownership and management? Because जो भी उधर सुपरस्टार जाता है उधर नहीं चल पाता.
I just want to say them कि यार चुपचाप just get a room ना यार. क्यों जो कर रहे हो सब लोग करते हैं, उससे बदतर करते होंगे बट रूम में कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा, y'all are social media people, right? Y'all are very active on social media. What is up with the social media team?
The auction, the player announcement for Prince Yadav is objectively one of the worst videos.
क्या किया था, क्या किया?
Yeah,
It was-
very very funny.
It was 3 kids looking at another bowler. They're like, no, they're looking at another bowler. They're like, अरे काश हमारे पास ऐसा कोई यॉर्कर का whatever king होता. And then he's like, Prince है ना? And then he's like, अरे sir, Prince Yadav, एक selfie. And takes a selfie with it. And then he takes it. And then that's the announcement video for Prince Yadav.
Yorker King. तुम उनको.
Prince is in the name. Prince is in the name.
Prince तेरे नाम में
Prince is in the name.
ये आवेश खान जो किया है, you were very right now saying if you see his top 5 IPL moments, what are your top 5 IPL moments? of Avesh?
डाउन मोमेंट
आवेश कौन?
आवेश नहीं रे है अच्छा बॉलर है बट
Anil Chaudhary weighed into this yesterday. He said that technically उसमें 5 run का penalty नहीं लगेगा क्योंकि there was nobody around him, but it is still stupidity, guys.
No, the penalty should be for like he should be fined. He should be fined.
I think I read a post 29
20 lakhs, but I'm not sure if it is.
20 I'm talking about 29 lakhs. Iyer has paid 36 lakhs fine. Yeah, oh you don't know.
Yeah. I saw back to back 2 slower
Bro,
rates.
Arshdeep इतना वाइड डाल रहा है कि overrate.
That actually has a great segue into Punjab. Let's end on a good note for you.
My thing with this season still now there are certain loopholes. Is like we are still nervous between middle overs. थोड़ा nervousness आ रहा है, थोड़ा गान फट रहा है उधर, right?
वडेरा खेलेगा सब जाएगा वो.
chewing gum ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
Exactly. my only gap is Vadera. If Nehal bhai again जो downfall हुआ because of his underconfidence during the finals, right? If he clicks, then I think anybody can come in the middle order. Nothing will happen.
Harman, you're literally saying my diamond is too shiny. Literally.
Yeah, I am.
क्योंकि बहुत सही टीम है यार. Let's be very honest. सारे
I
boxes
was
tick कर
talking
लिए
to
हैं.
Harman earlier that Punjab's social media game, Punjab's approach. I recently saw that brand reel that posted with CP Plus, where they're talking about Shreyas Iyer has always been a Punjab blood. Like it was that, and like oh my god, that was just so good. That was like one of the best.
इसको हिंदी समझ भी नहीं आती है. But
I loved it. Fucking loved it, dude. Fucking loved it. First of all,
ये कन्नड़ा में translate किया.
honestly, didn't even do meta AI. Sent it to a friend and then got translated. Put effort there.
आरसीबी फैंस जैसे बोले उन्होंने मुझे कुछ चीज़ दिखाना है.
What's that?
ब्रदर ठीक है भाई, देख तेरे पास 5 है, तू खुश है अभी नहीं है ना? तो मेरा देख.
अरे he's firing on him.
ब्रो मैं भी आरसीबी है ब्रो.
नहीं बट इसके ऊपर कुछ बोलना है तो कुछ बोल सकते हैं.
Genuinely saying, like at this point, right? Like, guys, behave like trophy winners. No, learn from us.
Yeah.
Behave like trophy. You won 5. Act like you won 5 trophies. Don't talk to us like you have won 5 without undeservingly you won 5 trophies.
हाँ
Right?
तो पर्सनल हो रहा है ब्रो.
RCB fan base talks like they won 1, but जीते attitude उतना है कि as if they won
Agree.
5.
I agree.
That
Sorry.
actually.
I agree with the fact that I loved it, bro.
He's got a point there. Maybe not you particularly. Maybe not, you know what are the
जितने आरसीबी के लॉयल फैंस है ना, उससे ज्यादा आरसीबी के टॉक्सिक फैंस भी है.
हाँ, so it means fan base is more, na?
Hey, but toxic है ना भाई. No man.
But do you think that out of the fans you have, there is a big, every team has toxic fans. Not coming. But do you think you have a big chunk of toxic fans in?
I genuinely don't think so. I feel like I've hung out with the worst kind of RCB fans to the best kind of RCB fans. People who can't afford a match ticket, therefore talk more. People who have gone to match but don't know the team.
So you don't think it's
The kind of toxic fans you talk about are people who just support for the vibes. For them, it's a banter, right? It's the same kind of people who hoot and cheer when the celebrity comes to your college fest and everything, right? But the kind of people who
The people who go to political rallies में जो जाते हैं.
they're there. Like in Kannada, there's a word called Gumpal Govinda, where it's just like, you know, Beti Gangame types.
What Govinda?
Gumpal Govinda. Like when you go to temple, somebody says Govinda, हर लोग बोलते Govinda. It's like those kind.
Okay. I hope you're not a Gumpal Govinda, bro, because you
नहीं
had.
नहीं अभी ना एक फैंस के बीच में एक वीडियो वायरल हो रहा है जहाँ पे अगर आरसीबी जीत रही है ना, जहाँ पे आरसीबी जीत रही है वहाँ पे एक चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स की वुमेन भी है जो वुमेन फैन है, उसको वो इतना छेड़ रहे हैं, मतलब अपार्ट फ्रॉम बैंटरिंग वो एटलीस्ट मतलब वो ऐसा दिखा रहा है कि भाई मतलब वो भाई बहुत हैरेस हो गई थी इतना और इतना टॉक्सिक
you have to be very conscious of the word.
फीलिंग बैड फॉर दैट सीएसके जो भी वो फैन थी कि
Is that about the girl screaming in his
Yeah,
face?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
No, it's the other way around.
No, but do you
ये अभी का ये जो
Do you know
recently
that
match
they're
था-
I think it was the girl
do
screaming
you
at the
know
guy,
that they're
bro.
siblings?
Oh, there is another video.
They're siblings.
वो एक ही थी फैन
They're siblings.
नहीं,
Oh, then that's so cute. I would have broke, bro. If it was me and my brother.
There are. I'm sorry.
He is
Oh,
not
I
referring to
don't.
that
I'm sorry.
incident.
I
He is referring to the incident where that CSK fangirl was harassed by a 4-5 RCB boys. He is referring to that, not the one wherein the RCB girl is shouting on the
एक मिनट रुक. ये बताऊं, ये क्रिकेट का है ही नहीं सीन.
लेकिन मैं टॉक्सिक फैंस की बात कर रहा हूँ बाजी
टॉपिक छेड़ रहा है वो
टॉक्सिक फैंस दैट आर टॉक्सिक फैंस अगर आप कोई पे करके एक ह्यूज अमाउंट पे करके एक ह्यूज अमाउंट अगर पे करके आप स्टेडियम में आ रहे हो और अगर ये करके दिखा रहे हो
Have
तो
you-
टॉक्सिक से
लेकिन एक बोलूं मैं सर्कल करूं एक आई थिंक वी ऑल कैन एग्री टू कि ये जो फैंस है ना इंडिया के सारे टीम्स के फैंस थोड़े ज्यादा इमोशनल है, वो भूल जाते हैं, यस वो भी वर्ड है, वो भूल जाते हैं कि आईपीएल एट द एंड ऑफ द डे क्यों है, एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए, एंटरटेनमेंट फर्स्ट और सेकंड धंधा है, इतने पागल मत हो जाओ यार कि मतलब समझ रहे हो वो मुझे लगता है
Bro,
लेट्स एग्री टू दैट
you tell me. RCB admin posted on Twitter. I don't know if it came on Instagram as well. एक बंदा एक जो था जो विकेट के पीछे से. What is the? You tell me objectively what is the harm in it? People are crying. That is such a good. Even last year when humanity was saved, that one of the worst. Like for a sports team, you're just like, this is it, man. This is like people.
Why are you breaking it down into? Yeah, bro. Sometimes let sports be.
ये सही है
In the stadium, CSK fans are like, oh, they're only playing, CSK when CSK hits a boundary or whatever, they're only playing in one speaker versus home ground advantage. It happens in Chepauk. Chepauk, they started the whole.
It happens in every sport.
Every sport, no.
It happens in football, bro. It happens.
Chepauk DJ plays like specific songs, and there was Idli Vada Sambar for the whole
Bole
year.
Jo Koyal.
Oh, Bole Jo Koyal.
Bole Jo
everything,
Koyal is
all
a
of
master
it.
stroke, bro.
all of it was there last year. When you said ऐसा दिखाया गया, that is the point you have to notice. There are other angles and there is context involved in it.
वो जो पोस्ट डाला था कि एक था जो विकेट के पीछे से, वो अच्छा हुआ अभी डाला कि वो नहीं खेल रहा था जो पहले
Correct.
मैच बनाता
We
था.
would post it even if Dhoni was playing. Or the admin would post it. What is the point of it? Do you not take a joke?
नहीं जोक
एलएसजी ने तो स्टेज डाले भाई केएल राहुल के
हाँ
लिए
और फिर दिल्ली ने क्या किया उसके बाद?
Albie Morkel on Kohli's birthday. Albie Morkel is saying, "I loved hitting the 28 runs." Not a Kohli wish, by the way. Now, is that not banter?
Okay, let me just stop.
Bro,
this.
in the
I want
words
to
of
ask you a
Kohli,
question,
if you
bro.
give it, you have to
Just
take it,
summarize
bro.
everything both of you all said. I think what sports is meant to be sports. It's not going to go into politics, harassment. Chalo, what happens in the stadium, apart from cricket, that is not a RCB fan versus CS. It's a humanity thing.
That is
It's
zero civic
stupidity.
sense.
It is like bang on. But as just when it comes to cricket, I'm saying I think couple of teams ना उनको jokes लेने आते नहीं हैं.
Correct.
ठीक है, when it's a joke कि यार हम एक चुस्की ले रहे थे your team, like what he said about like right now LSG, I think their social media for me is the most toxic. ठीक है, वो लोग जोक नहीं, वो लोग अटैक करते हैं और दिल्ली ने जो फटैक वाला रिप्लाई दिया है विद केएल राहुल,
Exactly.
that was banter.
That is so good, and that you see, like, man, it's one of those things where you're like, wait, it is coming.
Which
and
team according to you has the best social media banter? Like which IPL team?
RR had it for the longest time. It's gone down. It's gone down now. Last 2 seasons, it's gone down.
पंजाब इज आल्सो गुड
Punjab again.
Taking a while. Punjab right
But
now is
RCB
building a
social
base.
media on Twitter, man, because Instagram the amount of post is limited. Plus, you see it on this one on Twitter. Replies come like this, and people have opinions and stats and loop and everything. On Twitter, RCB's Twitter game is unmatched.
That's
for me.
true.
Unmatched.
Also, I think the side that RCB social media is able to bring about players nobody else is able to bring. Like to Kohli को कैसे बोल सकता है कि there are 5 foreign players,
5 overseas players in a
exactly,
team.
exactly,
It's tongue in cheek.
right?
You never
So,
take that joke.
तो अगर तू बोल रहा है कि
Even that Sunil joke when he was talking about
Sunil Gavaskar
joke.
your best friend, the amount of banter RCB does within themselves, you can't fuck with those who can laugh
Bro,
at themselves.
RCB went.
तुम लोग खुद पे नहीं हंस
You
पाते.
remember RCB changing red turns blue when
If you gotta give it, you gotta take it.
Yeah. MI is winning dependent, like RCB's qualification dependent on MI, and RCB is openly like, hey man, we are supporting MI today, and RCB's turned blue and everything.
Yeah.
We didn't have to do it as a team. Players are watching, players are cheering. There's a whole team sitting and cheering. Let's go.
और तभी AI भी नहीं था, जर्सी फोटोशॉप की थी ब्लू वाली, पता है ना? क्या फोटोज
No,
थे?
because we had a blue jersey, we didn't want to talk about it. Yeah, the
Yeah.
COVID jersey.
Oh, yeah.
We don't want to
वो
talk
सिक्स
about
कितने मारे? कितने सिक्स मारे भाई? कितने सिक्स मारे?
So I see IPL end of the day you will have that banter if you're watching with a friend. Like at the end of the day CSK feel like a person with no friends. Everybody went out to play. They didn't call CSK, right? CSK is just like, oh, nobody's calling me, so I'm gonna attack. It's that uncle. It's becoming that Khadu's uncle. So on brand for CSK.
Right.
It's that becoming that Khadu's uncle who doesn't want ball to hit his window anymore. And everything. You can throw stones at the other team, huh? Nobody can hit the ball in your window, huh? That's what CSK is becoming, and I don't like it.
CSK इसका आंसर ना क्वालिफाई करके देना.
नहीं 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 सीएसके का सीन क्या पता है क्या सीएसके का गढ़ है ना मतलब किला सीएसके का इतना अच्छा था वहां पे और उसके बाद अभी 4 बार ये हारे है ना लगातार तो सीएसके का हो गया मुंह बंद और उसके बाद आरसीबी थोड़ा ओवर पावर हो गया उनके गढ़ में जाके
See, simply saying that it was 9-22. 9-22. Now it's 14-22. Now we are like, man, we have legitimately won. It's not like people gave those 5 wins to us. We've legitimately won, and we won at Chepauk after 17 years. We've beaten them for 2, and I put it out. It's a shame that we're only playing them once this season.
It's funny how
Only playing them once this
Anybody just playing them twice this season. Everybody wants to play them.
No, you never know. You never know. आगे जाके मिल
it's
सकते
funny
हैं.
how Punjab
Qualifications में मिल सकते हैं. You never know.
Punjab has the best record against Chennai, and they don't flaunt it at all.
So we've spoken a lot about toxic fans. I think a culture that I personally enjoy a lot is KKR. Their fan army, I feel, is the least toxic. Guys, Wayne, tell me what you guys think about KKR.
Because
Go.
SRK is not toxic, so obviously their fans
You
would be
saw the
also
fans'
not
reaction when he came to the stadium, even
Yeah.
though the rain match was washed out, and he came. He looked so hot in it. I'm just like, it's
He
just,
does.
Every time
He's
he,
straight, by the way. He's straight. Absolutely straight.
so I
This
mean,
is the second time today we've gone into to come to my
His sexuality.
room.
Get a room.
But
Consortium again.
KKR, what I feel is even after like Punjab doesn't have a great relationship with KKR, it's a rivalry that we look forward to. We are still not over 2014. But KKR, I mean like Shahrukh exchanging jersey with Preeti and all of that. That way I think the sportsman spirit that KKR brings in is still a lot more better than the toxic culture that we talk about. Their fans fill up the stadiums no matter what.
We have one KKR fan in our midst. Talk to us about your
See,
fan
yeah.
culture, man.
Yeah.
I spent 3 weeks with you all the year you all won the IPL. I was with the fan army in Kolkata. You all are mad people. but in a
Eden
good
is
way.
always been Eden. It's an iconic stadium. It be packed, jam packed. The last year जब हम लोग जीते थे तब वो टीफो लगा था 3 trophies वाला. And the fan culture has been good. हम लोग हार रहे पर तब भी हम लोग डटे रहे. Fans are coming to the stadium. We have
Yeah.
starting का इतना अच्छा नहीं था. But then also we are supporting. हम लोग कल भी देखा था बारिश हो रही पर fans थे वहाँ पर SRK आया था वहाँ पर वो लोग चीयर कर रहे वहाँ पर ऑटोग्राफ ले रहे वगैरह एंड ऑल इट वाज देयर जैम पैक थे वो लोग एंड एडन इज ऑलवेज बीन आइकॉनिक स्टेडियम एंड यू हैव सीन देयर यू हैव ग्रेट मैचेस देयर एंड इट बीन द बिग स्टेडियम भी फुल रहता है वहाँ पर फुल क्राउड पैक्ड रहता है एंड इंजरीज हमारे साइड में नहीं है पर इफ injuries सब कुछ निकाल दे we can have a good finish
also
to the
KKR
season.
is the bogey team for RCB. For us, it is just like that is the team. I'm just like, my God, man.
49
That I think
49 is one. Even if it is like, even the Phil Salt, like
Phil
the
Salt,
way
yeah.
Phil Salt hit us, I'm just like, man, KKR, bro.
and the COVID jersey
And it's the Gambhir Kohli as well.
And it is quiz time. You guys know the rules. I'm not going to repeat myself. And today, last time, the lovely guests won. So as returning champions, I'm going to start with you boys today. Slightly different now. It's not individual answers. It's 5 questions each, 10 questions in total. You all can discuss an answer in 15 seconds. 1 steal each, right? Which you get 2 points for. I say I'm not going to repeat the rules, but I've just done that. Let's start with our returning champions. Whoever wants to answer. Which player was the purple cap winner of the last IPL, which is IPL 2025?
Prasidh Krishna.
Behave yourselves, guys. Yes, very, very nice. No time taken. Instantly. That's 1 point for you, Lord. Right. The first 100 by an uncapped player in the IPL came in 2009. Who was that?
Manish Pandey.
Yeah, buddy, you guys are not
Too easy, bro. Too easy.
Too easy. Okay. There we go. One a piece.
Uncapped, not only uncapped, first Indian way. Yeah.
All right, fans, all you boys, which batter became the first player to hit 6 consecutive sixes in a single IPL game?
रियान पराग.
Bro, are you all not even discussing this shit? Absolutely right. Again. Well done, boys. 2-1. Okay, right back at you. To my esteemed panel, who is the only Indian cricketer to score a century in an IPL final?
Steel.
Yeah, it's called Steel. Okay.
Indian cricketer ना? ए नहीं, ये आ रहा है आंसर बट हमें.
Steel. So it's Steel. Okay, go on. Steel.
वृद्धिमान साहा.
2014.
Bro, this guy, who's the producer? Have you given him the questions before? This guy's on a different level, dude. And 2014 is bang on. God, alright, boys. So this is why you need speed. These guys have taken the steal, which means they've got 2 points for that. Okay, guys. Now the question comes to you. Now, if you guys can steal it, go for it. Alright. Which is the only IPL franchise to have played just one
कोची
season?
टस्कर्स केरला.
Say it again loudly and clearly.
कोची टस्कर्स केरला.
And now get us, bro, everyone just get up and tap his bag because he is single-handedly. What is wrong with you, bro? What is wrong with you? That is fantastic, amazing stuff. 5-1 now.
We'll take all 15 seconds to answer. Huh?
take a nap, bro. Alright, which IPL winning captain resigned from captaincy midway through the IPL in 2018 and retired from the league completely due to his poor form?
2018 you said?
2018, yes.
IPL winning captain. 2018. Can you एक बार repeat?
Gambhir.
Bang on, bro! He's done it! He's done it! Okay. Well done.
Yeah, steal that.
5-2. 5-2.
Steal that, dude.
5-2. Alright. Boys. Bro, first of all, stop answering because I'm scared just looking at it. I'm joking, bro. You guys are killing it. The highest run chase in the history of the IPL came against KKR. Which team did it?
Steal.
Go on. Yeah, go on.
Punjab.
Let's go.
Back at it, baby. Take this now.
Let's go. Steal that,
In
dude.
your face.
Steal that.
On that crispy note, it's back. It's all even, almost. It's 5-4. Who was the first ever repeat Orange Cap winner?
Robin Uthappa.
Back-to-back seasons.
To back.
No, wait.
I will give you no points, but give me the right answer.
Is it Robin Uthappa?
No, he said Robin Uthappa.
Sorry.
What is wrong with you? Incorrect.
Sorry.
Moving on. The right answer was Chris Gale.
भाई माइनस करो उनका माइनस करो.
For no IQ. No. Okay. If you guys win this, it's over.
Punjab if I ruin Chris Gayle again, dude.
Okay. Who has the most runs as an Indian for RCB after Virat Kohli?
देवदत्त पडिक्कल.
नहीं आंसर है वो. आंसर है ना वो.
Are you sure about that answer? I mean, I've taken it either ways. Because guys, just tap his back, man. This guy's your Lord and Savior. He is absolutely correct. It is Devdutt Padikkal. Guys, this is the last question. You guys have lost, but it's for ego.
Can we make it 2 points then?
For to make you happy, yes, but not really. It's okay. this is not really. I will give you something. Hopefully that you can end on a high with. Which country does Blessing Musrabani of KK?
जिम्बाब्वे यार. क्या यार?
Discuss.
क्या
हार गए तुम लोग कुछ तो कर ले दो यार.
कितना इजी था वो वृद्धिमान साहा वाला भी बहुत इजी था.
एक और क्वेश्चन पूछ लो प्लीज. For
I'll ask you one more. Okay.
ए टैली करो. टैली कितना हुआ है?
Which foreign player who made his debut in IPL 2010 for Deccan Chargers still plays in the league as an opener?
Rohit Sharma.
In 2010.
अरे फॉरेनर.
Sorry.
1 hour later.
Mitchell Marsh.
Yes, buddy. Well done.
Redemption for myself.
Redemption. Well done. Thank you, God bless. That was the
I
quiz,
put my
guys.
foot on the trophy like this now.
My guests have completely outdone my elite panelists. If you like more, send us questions, send us people that we can bring on. On that cute little note, please remind me, guys, to keep watching and subscribe to
Cover Drive.